How about if you receive a free training from AWS by an instructor in a physical location and all for free? AWS has just done that with AWS Skill Center. Right now, AWS has announced that in two locations in US, there will be two physical locations or training centers where you could just go in, register, and get trained for free in machine learning or any cloud training. And I'll be giving you the list of few of the trainings which are right now available. And AWS has a plan to open new physical locations all across the globe just to get the people trained in AWS all for free by the AWS experts. All you need to do to register for these classes is to go on this website, and I will put the link of this website in the video's description. Just register there and then show up and learn about AWS. So AWS Skill Center, I believe, is a great initiative, and that would enable a lot of people to get up to speed with this brave new world. So let's have a quick look at what exactly is available right now and what are AWS's plan in the AWS Skill Center. So as I said that you could get trained in a lot of things like machine learning, gaming, smart homes, robotics, and a lot of other things, and all from the AWS experts. Also, another benefit which I could foresee is that you will get a lot of opportunities to network with other people, which could lead to finding an entry level job in the cloud if that's what your goal is. Right now, there are two locations where you can get freely trained. One is in Seattle, and the other one is Arlington, Virginia. Both of them are in US, but as you can see here, more sites are coming in this year, later this year, and then beyond. And I'm sure that in Australia and Sydney, Melbourne, there'll be very soon more and more locations appearing up, and so will be the case in the rest of the world. Now, these are few of the trainings which are right now available. Um, One is just a simple introduction to the IT or computer technology. Then the rest three of them are related to cloud practitioner, and all of them are pretty flexible. You can see that they are no more than 3 to 4 hours, and all of them are at the fundamental level. And I believe that AWS will also soon be releasing expert level trainings. And then they are divided by the location, and this will be an evolving page, I'm sure. So I hope this excites you. Uh, as the new centers are announced, I will be updating the list here and on my blog. So please stay tuned. Thank you.